Hello, good afternoon. We're gardening right now. So we've been, actually not me, it's my wife. Has been repotting some plants. So let's see what she's been doing. Okay, I knocked this over. So I'm more of a nuisance right now rather than a help. So I see some photos plants are being repotted right now. So these are photos plants, or at least they came from the same plant, the same mother plant. So these are some of the pots that we bought earlier. As you can see here, you've got roots of the ZZ plant, and these roots, if you transplant them, they will grow into new plants. See, plenty of roots. And we've got one here that still has one plant attached. This is called the ZZ plant. It's actually better to buy some earthenware or clay pots because they're more sustainable. Like my YouTuber friend Susie of Chew on That, it's really preferable to use sustainable products, and one of the best ways to be sustainable in gardening is to buy clay pots instead of these plastic ones.
The problem,
They're too expensive right now.
masyado siyang mahal.
Right.
Na dating mura lang.
Oo. Pero talaga, these clay pots have more appeal than the plastic ones. See?
100 lang yan dati.
Hmm.
Ngayon nasa 250 siya.
Yeah.
200.
So this used to be just 100. Now it's double, more than double the price.
OA na siya sa price. Hindi na siya nakakatuwa.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's the truth. But things might change if you don't buy plastic pots.
Sa Bulacan yan mura.
Okay, so sa Bulacan, you can buy earthenware pots in Bulacan that are cheaper. But then again, you have to travel to Bulacan. If you don't live in Bulacan, well, you just have to pay for gasoline.
Gasoline.
So pag nag-garden kayo, it's not really important how you look like. So what's important is that you're happy doing your gardening.
Doing my gardening. Nasa side
ng photos. Okay lang yun. Kasi, alam mo, pag yung ganitong style, yung, alam mo yung nagde-drape, pababang ganun. Yeah, okay lang.
Yun nga yun. Yun yung purpose ko. This one, look.
Oh, this one. Oh, tama, oh. Very nice. See, very nice photos plants.
Isa lang yan. Pero, andun mayroon na ako mas mahaba pa doon.
Ayun, yun, oh. Ganda yun.
And Wandering Jew.
Nagwa-wander yung Jew. Nasaan?
Ito, niripat
Oo nga, nag-wander na doon.
niripat ko yan.
Okay.
Wandering Jew.
Alright, so do you see this? It's a lapel microphone. So right now I'm testing this to see if it will improve the volume of my videos. So I hope you're hearing me well. Testing.
Papagalitan na nga ako ni Laura sa dami ng kalat ko.
This is gardening.
Pasensya.
This is the truth about gardening.
Umuulan kasi.
Yan. Messy.
Kasi umuulan. So kailangan ko lang siya i-repack na talaga.
Wow, oh. Ang ganda naman ng mga to, oh. Ano ginawa mo dyan? Explain. Ano ginawa mo dito? Please explain.
Yan. Sila yung naglagay itong
Yung covering. Ano pa?
swan. Yan.
Ano yan?
Nakalimutan ko pangalan yan eh. Pero maganda to eh. Makakapal eh.
Yan.
So,
Succulent yan,
tinanggal ko siya
diba?
dun sa patch niya kasi, yung lupa parang nagkakaroon ng matitigas na lumot.
Oh.
So, baka mamatay siya.
So, ito plastic pots to. Hindi yun panggana. No?
Kasi gumagano yan. Ito
Okay. Sasabit to. It's like you will hang this from...
kaya lang parang dun ka lang natural.
Okay.
Hindi ka pa nadidiligan. This
This is
is one
the Wandering Jew. So, it's wandered already from its original pot.
Yan kasi kumuha ko dun.
Okay.
Para
And
naman
what are these?
garden soil.
Why is the garden soil also wandering outside?
Dadalhin yan sa kaya ate.
Okay, so these sacks of garden soil will be going to another house. Oh, look. Our mini rose. This is a very strange mini rose because it starts out as orange, then it turns what? Purple and then pink. And now this is variegated. So this is a very strange rose. It produces all kinds of different colored flowers. Heavy garden soil. So we've got some discarded roots here from the ZZ plant. You hear that? ZZ. Zzz.
Nag-ZZ na plant. Kaya kumakusa ko ng kalat.
Ah. Messy.
Messy.
More mess.
Kasi nga,
We've got fortune plant and this is katakataka.
bulan kanina
This is katakataka. So when we bought this from Manong Rodi, I asked him, "What's this?" And he said, "Ito yung katakataka." Okay, we're transferring some of the photos plants. So we've got a lineup of newly potted plants here. And this is a red palm. It's red palm, but it's colored orange. See, it's orange. And what will these planters hold?
Diyan galing yung pangit na yung lupa. Kaya ko siya tinanggal.
Okay, so these used to be the receptacles of the Wandering Jew. So what's going on here? What's this plant? It's purple. Oh, you broke the leaf. It's purple with green stripes.
Yeah, tapos wala pala siyang ugat.
I think it will survive. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this plant. So this is actually a very pretty plant. See, it's got a pink underside with brown stripes, and if you look at the other side of the leaf, the stripes are green and the surrounding area is white. So I see 3 stripes. A pink and green and white plant. Oh, actually the stripes are varied. So it's not just 3. It can be different stripes on different leaves. So it's not fixed. So I don't know, or we don't know the name of this plant, but we bought this for 50 pesos. Is that expensive? Is 50 pesos expensive for this plant?
Hindi.
It's a small plant.
Hindi, ang dami na siyang siguro nga ayaw niya na daming basa. Yung mulan, diba, sunod-sunod na umulan. So sabi kasi nung binilan ko, hindi ito madalas dapat diligan.
Okay.
Ang kaso, nagsunod-sunod yung ulan.
Oh, let's put it somewhere where it won't get rained over. Okay, so this plant, it hates too much rain. So it's best to put this somewhere where it won't get too wet. So we're going to see what happens, yes. So we're going to put this somewhere drier. Yeah, there. There you go. So if you guys know what this plant is, let us know in the comments section.
Cute pa naman yan.
Cute siya.
Jew.
Yeah, so we've made some progress in our garden. We bought so many plants now, we're unsure of where to put them, as you can see. And there'll be more. So we might place a net here, over here. It might be green, it might be black, just to lessen the intensity of the sunlight. So one YouTuber I follow, her name is Aling Shaleni. She also bought a net for her garden. It was green, it's just one layer, and she said it's not enough, so one layer might not be enough. So if you get the chance to go to her channel, let's shout out Aling Shaleni. She's a plantita. So you're going to plant some more wandering Jew here?
Para tatlo na sila.
Oh, so there are more. Yeah, one, there's two, and this will be three. Yeah, so 3 wandering Jew planters on the wall. Okay, so this is one of the ZZ plant cuttings. Actually, it's not a cutting. It came from the mother plant. We just took this off. And if you plant this, it will live. Yeah, it will live and produce more ZZ plants. So this is quite easy to propagate. You just sleep on it, you go zzz, and it will grow.
So, dyan?
ZZ plant.
Yan, yung dami yung...
Yeah. So we're going to produce a lot of ZZ plants while we sleep. Zzz. BB.
Bubuyog lang.
Z nga, hindi man busy.
Ito.
permanent place for our bottle palm. You know what a bottle palm is? When you get a bottle, then put it in your palm. That's a bottle palm. No, that's a joke. That's the bottle palm over there. You know those two guys that keep digging structures into the ground? They have a YouTube channel. They make digging so easy. This is hard. It's actually a hard earth under there, like thick compacted clay. Okay, so this is our red palm. It's raining, so
It's not
we have
red
to
palm. It's bottle palm.
Oh, yeah, sorry. This is the bottle palm. Although it's also red, see the red stuff. So this is where it's going to go. Lots of fungus. See?
Fungus yun.
Those are fungus.
Baka mamatay siya.
I'm getting fungus in my hands. So, putulin na lang ito.
Wala akong konting hair. Hayaan mo na siya. Let it be. Hindi siya maligad.
Fungus.
Huwag ng fungus. Walang soil.
Okay lang yan. It will live and let die.
No.
No, live and let live. Joke lang. So I'm going to pull this a bit so that it will not be too deep. So this will grow into a bottle shape like this. It'll go like that. Okay, so we're cleaning up now. It's late in the afternoon. So we're going to continue our gardening another day. So I hope you liked today's episode. There will be more gardening videos coming soon. So see you around. See you next time.